Hello everyone, welcome back to my page and to my channel. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po sa YouTube channel ko, Barry Umungos. At saka doon pa sa hindi pa nakapag-like, please do like my Facebook page. I will love math and share it to your friends, to your siblings, to your classmates. And daghan kayong salamat sa mga nakasubscribe na o nakalike. Okay. Today, ipagpapatuloy natin yung request ng isang subscriber natin, no? About simplifying integer exponents. In our previous video, we've answered basic examples or exercises from this topic. So, patuloy pa rin tayo, hinay-hinay, no? Susunod na video dito is, yun lang yung mga difficult examples na. Okay? So, still, we are asked to simplify integer exponents. Okay? So, in number 1, okay, you are given x to the power of negative 3 raised to the fourth exponent or the power of a power. Okay? So, what we're going to do here, we just simply multiply the exponents. So, here, we copy x, then we multiply. Negative 3 times 4, you have negative 12. Okay? Now, since the exponent is negative, suppose your teacher would ask you, your final answer must be a non-negative exponent. So, we'll make this positive. That becomes, we'll write using the law of exponent, 1 over x to the power of 12. Okay? Okay, let's move on to number 2. Okay? So, x cubed y squared is raised to the negative third power. So, what are we going to do here? Okay, this is an example of the power of a product. Okay? We just simply what? Multiply, no? To each exponent. So, using the law of exponent, the power of a product. So, you have here, copy x cubed times negative 3. Maklaro ba? Or, in-close lang nato sa parentheses. Ano na lang. Y squared times negative 3. Okay? So, do the operation. You copy x. 3 times negative 3, you have negative 9. Then, y. 2 times negative 3, you have negative 6. So, again, your exponents are negative. So, to make this positive, using the law of exponent, you could have 1 over x to the 9, y to the 6. Okay. Timan-an ninyo, guys. Basta negative gaya yung mga exponent, butang na nyo, bring down na nyo dito sa ubos, and you will write 1 on the numerator sa ibabaw. Okay? Muna yung timanan ha, to make that positive ay ang exponent. Okay, number 3. Okay, we have here x to the fifth, y to the power of negative 1 raised to the negative 2 power. Okay? Again, it's just the same as number 2. Okay? You could have 5 times, you write x. We will answer this directly because this is just the same as number 2. Okay? So, all you need to do is distribute the exponent negative 2. So, 5 times negative 2, you have negative 10. Copy y. Negative 1 times negative 2, you have 2. Okay? Klaro? Okay, we just do the multiplication sa ilang mga exponent. 5 times negative 2, negative 10. Negative 1 times negative 2, positive 2. So, since the exponent of x is negative, unsa to kung giingon sa inyo kaganina, bring down nyo sa ubos. So, that would be Since y has a positive exponent, to leave y to the power of 2 sa ibabaw over x to the power of 10. Kipaubos lang ninyo si x to the power of negative 10 sa ubos. So this will be your final answer. Okay, simple as that, no? Okay, number 4. You are given x to the power of negative 3, y to the power of negative 1 over z to the power of negative 2. Now, as you observe, dili sila pareha og base, no? X, Y, Z. Then, all of their exponents are negative. So, unsa to kung gisulti sa inyo nga technique? Kung asa nakabutang ang negative exponent, kung imo siyang ibalhin sa ubos or sa taas, ma-change jud iyang sign. Suppose, to answer this directly, kasi over 1 over x to the power of 1 over x cube pa man kaana. So, since si z is negative, has a negative exponent negative 2, so imo na siya isakat diretsyo dalion ra ang pag-solve. Z to the power of 2 over kana ding duha imong ibutang sa ubos, so x cube then y, so that's it. Para madali lang, no? Negative man ang exponent ni z, so imong gisakat, so z to the power of 2 kaning duha si x ug si y puros negative ilang mga exponent, imo rang gipaubos. Sige, butangan lang dyan po na tuguan din na. Pwede na po, wala na. Okay? So, simple na kay guys, no? Sa katong nag-request, si Ate Sai, salamat sa pag-request, ani. So, I will give you another example on how to simplify integer exponents. Okay. Simple naman dyan kayo ni good. Okay. Give you another example to that. Okay, what if you will now have, example 5, you have 2x cubed times 5x cubed. Okay, what are we going to do here? Okay, to simplify this, you just simply multiply the number 2 and 5. So you have 2 times 5. Okay, then look at the variable x. They have the same x, so you copy only one x. Then, according to the law of exponent, if they have the same bases, what are you going to do? We add their exponent. So, 3 plus 3. Okay? So, continue. You have 2 times 5, you have 10. Then x, what is 3 plus 3? 6. So, you have 10x to the power of 6. Okay? Okay, I'll give you another example. Para mas simple siya sa inyo, okay? Example number 6, I'll give you x to the power of negative 1 over y cubed. Sorry to that. Raised to negative 4. Okay. Yeah. How are you going to answer this one? X to the power of negative 1 over y to the power of 3 raised to a negative 4 exponent. Okay, this is the power of a quotient. You simply distribute the exponent, no, nga na raise. So, here, you could have x negative 1 times negative 4 over y 3 times negative 4. So, what is your answer? You copy x. What is negative 1 times negative 4? You have 4. Over y, 4 times 3 times negative 4, you have negative 12. Okay. Now, the exponent of y is negative 12. Unsa kita kung technique nga gisulti, naaman siya sa ubos. All you need to do is inyo siyang isakat. So you have now x to the fourth y 12. Okay? That would be your answer. Simple ra kay no? Is there any questions? None so far? Then I will give you another example. Para enjoy ang atong pag-solve, no? Okay. Now, example number 7, you have 2x squared to the power of 3 times 3y cubed to the power of 2. So, how do we simplify that one? Okay. Take note, this is raised to the power of 3 and this is raised to the power of 2. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Okay, first is we need to distribute 3 here to each number, no? So you have here 2 cubed x 2 times 3. Okay? Times, kanina po siya, distribute the exponent 3 squared y 3 times 2. Okay? So let's continue. You have now, simplify. What is 2 to the power of 3? That is 2 times 2. This is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2. And that is equal to 8. Okay? 8 x 2. 2 times 2, you have 6. Times, what is 3 squared? That is 3 times 3. Dili na siya 3 times 2 ha. 3 times 3. So you have 9 y to the power of 6. Okay? So are we true? Wala pa. Kaya naa pa may 8 times 9. So what is 8 times 9? You have 72. Then you copy the variable x to the power of 6, y to the power of 6. Okay, that's it. Okay? That's all for this example. On our next video, dito na tayo sa mga difficult part in simplifying integer exponents. I hope na mo'y na-learn bisan gamay. You can review all my videos sa akong page or sa akong YouTube channel. Since pandemic, di mo makagawas, enjoy lang jud mo og solve. Okay. Thank you for watching. Amping sa tanan.